Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back to another video, and this is a little different, isn't it? Today we're at Alton Towers in Staffordshire. Thought I might as well vlog this, see if you enjoy it and see if you want more content like this. I think we're going to do the extraordinary golf first, get it out of the way. It is Oktoberfest, by the way, so might try a few pints today. It's the first time we've really been out of the country since, when was it? Reading away.
Reading away, earlier in the year, probably about February.
And yeah, if you are, well, I'll put a link to your video to see all the madness in that one. That was a weird day, that was. But we're here for one night, staying at the main hotel, Alton Towers Hotel. So I can't wait for that. But I think what we're going to do first is get the extraordinary golf out of the way. I've done it before. I believe it's been updated since the last time we've been, about, well, 5 years ago now. But yeah, I can't wait for that. Let's do it.
Go.
Right then, we're here at the golf. Let's go.
Oh dear.
Go on, here he goes. Well, that was better than mine. So that's the golf done. What do you think of that?
It was okay. 18 holes would have been better, but 9 is stitching 9 saves time.
The good old Boris quote there. Just walking to the park now, as you know, no monorail. Switched off because of, well, you know why. But in preparation of going to the park, you can see that everyone will probably be nicely spaced out if they need to queue them up. But I think for going through the park entrance, you've got to go through another temperature check. I'm not sure because we still have the, well, we still have the purple wristbands on, so we might be exempt. But scan our tickets and then we'll be straight in. I think we're going to go for brand new ride Wicker Man first. Haven't been on it yet. I mean, I'm Welsh, so I love Megaphobia down in Oakwood, down West Wales, so hoping this one can live up to the expectation. Very swift entrance just then, no queue.
It's because there's nobody here.
Exactly, I mean it is in the middle of term time, in the middle of the week. Very quiet, quick scan of tickets, and that's about it. Easy, we're in. So our first poison of the day, gotta be a bit of Wicker Man, hasn't it? What do you think? Excellent. Good first impressions?
I'll tell you when I come off. There's a 20-minute wait, so...
Yeah, it's not, well, not too bad. Okay, so just come off Wicker Man, that was absolutely awesome. Well done, Alton Towers, that was amazing. All I can say about it was very, very rickety compared to other rides like Megaphobia and stuff, but either way, it was still a quality ride. What do you think?
Yeah, it was good. Similar to Megaphobia in West Wales. So, yeah, although rickety as anything, really shaking you about, but yeah, pretty decent overall.
Okay, so we're currently in the queue of Hex, just an indoor ride to mix things up while we cool off after a bit of Wicker Man. Okay, so we just finished Hex now. That was a weird ride, walls going everywhere, rocking back and forth, didn't know where our bearings were. Quality ride though either way, but now, mine train time, get warmed up for Nemesis I think. And so, well, we've done this end of the park mostly now, so we need to do the other ends, so the likes of X Sector and Forbidden Valley. Let's go, whoa! It's an abrupt stop! Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh! Okay, just done the rapids. That was actually pretty decent. Got a bit wet, but not too bad at the end of the day. Now I think we're off to do a bit of duel. Who's going to get a higher score, I wonder? Of course, he's out. He's just getting some fluids down him. Tired already?
No, I'm going for another 10 hours.
Same here. Okay, so we just come off duel. I got 16,900, so I'm reasonably happy with that score. Go on, tell me your score.
Something like 38,000, something like that, 36,000 odd.
Yeah, here's the proof on the GoPro footage right here, popping up on the screen now. I'm not gonna lie, but 36,000 is probably the highest in the park today. I mean, that was just ridiculous. How did you even do that?
Natural skill.
Oh dear. But anyway, we're about an hour from park closing now before we gotta head back to the hotel. We might try and get on Galactica before it closes, but we're just gonna have to wait and see really. Maybe we might have to go on Wicker Man again if there's a bit of a queue on Galactica, but we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, so we just finished Galactica and gotta say that was absolutely awesome. Probably one of the best rides in the park. It used to be called Air or something, but then they changed it to Galactica version. VR wasn't on today, but I mean, you don't really need VR to show how good of a ride it is. What do you think anyway of it?
Yeah, awesome. You're on your back looking up to the sky for about, it feels like about half a minute, but it's only about 5 or 6 seconds. But very good.
But yeah, the park's basically just closing now, so we're walking back to the hotel, got to check in and stuff, and then we'll probably get some food. That's the last ride of the day on Galactica there. Quite nice that you get a separate entrance now for hotel guests, so you don't have to walk the 15 minutes, especially that the monorail's not in operation, so pretty good. Okay, so we just checked into the hotel now, changed to these devices, the little face shields, as you can see there. Much better than face masks there. We're just going to have an explore around the hotel, see what it has to offer, and then we got the food booking, so can't wait for it. What do you think?
Yeah, long day. I am desperate for my tea.
Okay, so I've gone for the usual, the Stella. Lovely jubbly there. Look how beautiful that thing is. And what have you gone for?
I've gone for the Magners this evening.
Ooh, nice and posh. So today I've gone for the duck. Look at that. That is beautiful. What have you gone for?
Chicken and chips.
Basic. And we got some gluten-free chicken over there as well. Very nice. Okay, so we're done in the restaurant. That was lovely. Second to none food. Fantastic. Now we're in the bar. Got to do our drinks, of course. So I've gone for a good old Absolute vodka. Beautiful stuff. We've also got a glass of wine. And my dad, what are you going for this time?
I've gone for cider again. This time it's a Stella cider. I've never had Stella cider before, so yeah, it's quite nice.
Lovely. Reviews out. Go on, have a drink. What's your reviews out of it?
Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's a bit fizzy, but yeah, very nice.
Happy days. And then as for mine, absolutely superb. Fantastic. I mean, it's not good as Smirnoff, but at the end of the day, still vodka. Okay, so it's now the next day. Day 2, just queuing up to go in the exclusive hotel entrance. I think that's better because there's long queues at the main one apparently. And looking at the amount of cars here today, it is a lot busier, probably because it is a Friday, so busy morning. Busy morning. Okay, so we just done Galactica again. Awesome as usual. Where are we going now?
What's our shooting one again?
Duel,
probably, or 13. Maybe not that yet.
13's a good one, yeah, that could be a good option. Done Oblivion, what do you think?
It's still possibly the best 2.5 seconds in the park.
Wow. Okay, so we just had lunch, as you can see there, and we were just about to get the cable car, but when the Alton Towers people told us that it's broken down, so I don't know whether you can see it there, but I feel really sorry for those who have been stuck there, especially over that massive bit over the gardens. Bet they're going to be in for a long wait. Okay, so we just... Okay, so we've just come back off Wickerman once again. This time we were right in the back row, much better at the back than it is the front. It does shake you around a lot more. But for now, what we're going to do is probably head back towards Forbidden Valley Way, see the queue times around there, see if we can slide on anything else before we got to head back to the car and go back home. So what do you think of today?
Excellent. Well, with money possibly. Excellent ride. Queue times not too bad actually. I think the longest we waited for a ride was around about 45 minutes, so pretty good overall.
So guys, we are now back home. Oktoberfest was absolutely fantastic there. Enjoyed all the rides. Alton Towers amazing as usual. And what a first Oktoberfest it was. Great idea for Alton Towers to bring that in. But all I can say, it was even more fun getting home. Took us 5 hours. Had to go through the centre of Birmingham. Loads of pile-ups on the M6. Really a massive adventure there, and what made it even more brilliant was this was the news that we were greeted with when we got home. COVID lockdown, 3 more Welsh counties face local restrictions. Barry Island looks just depressing there, doesn't it? But yeah, we are now in lockdown once again, guys. I am absolutely gutted. Didn't think it would happen again, especially with how low the case numbers have been. But at the end of the day, I guess it is what it is. We can't exactly argue with it, can we? But so, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then please do leave a like. And if this is the first ever video you've seen by me, then please do consider hitting that subscribe button below. Try to get to 1K by the end of the year. That would be great. Also, if you have any video suggestions like this and want to see more of, then please do pop a comment below asking me to do a particular video on it, and I will consider doing it. That will greatly help me decide what you guys want to see as well. Follow all my social medias in the description below, and I'll see you all next time. Au revoir.